Alright, so let's talk about passive income, financial freedom, work from home or anywhere in the world by just using your phone and be your own boss. I sound like a young whippersnapper trying to sell you a webinar. Wanna buy mine? No, I'm kidding. I'm not trying to sell you anything, not now, not ever. But for 4 easy payments of $299, never mind. Okay, I should probably stop now. Onto the video. Alright, hi, my name is Irvin, and if you're watching this video, that means that you're probably a crypto investor or you're contemplating the idea of investing in crypto. And before I get on with the content of the video, I just wanted to give you a friendly reminder that please do not trust anyone with any private information. Do not share your private keys, your wallets, or anything of the sort. There's a lot of scammers out there. There's a lot of people trying to steal your money out there, and if you share any private information, they most likely will. So as long as you don't share anything private, you should be good to go. Okay, so that being said, I want to share with you the two places where I hold most of my cryptocurrencies. And of course, I gain passive income for just having them there. But before I do, I want to explain to you the differences between a hot wallet and a cold wallet. So a hot wallet is basically like this. And what you do is you take it and just kidding. A cold wallet, on the other hand, is basically the same exact wallet. You just take it and shove it in the fridge. Okay, I'm obviously kidding. The real difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet is, in simple terms, a hot wallet is a wallet that is stored online, and a cold wallet is a wallet that is stored offline. So simply put, a cold wallet is usually safer because being offline makes it literally impossible for a hacker or anyone trying to steal your money to be able to access those funds. But of course, a hot wallet is not all bad. Hot wallets are great because they have more access to different types of assets, more than usual cold wallets may have. They both, of course, have their pros and cons, but just so you have a very basic idea of what they are, cold wallets, cold wallet, cold wallets are usually safer than hot wallets, but hot wallets have more use cases and are more versatile, basically. Of course, when deciding between a hot wallet or a cold wallet, there is some risk management decisions to be made, right? And by the way, I made a video about risk management when investing in crypto. I'm gonna leave a link down below. So if you wanna get a little bit more information about how to manage your risks when investing in crypto, if you're a new investor or a experienced investor, make sure to check it out. So specifically for Celsius and Nexus.io, they are considered hybrid wallets. And the reason is because they are, of course, online. You can just access them however and whenever you want from your phone. But they are backed by the best or the most recognized institutions out there, including BitGo, which is a financial institution that custodies digital assets in a completely cold, offline way. So, of course, that is a very, very nice layer of security. But on top of that, both of these wallets, just like many exchanges as well, have a lot of layers of security. That is two-factor authentication, that is email verification, biometrical verification, and some even have a private recovery phrase, which is personally my favorite way of security, which is a 12 to 24 words or a combination of words that the program or the wallet randomly generates for you and just only for you to be able to recover your wallet whenever you want to log in from another computer or another device, or you just want to recover what's inside the wallet. So I don't need to say how important it is to be able to keep that phrase safe offline, maybe in a paper or somewhere where you're not gonna lose it, where you're not gonna forget it. Seifu! Crypto meme. Okay, so now that we've talked about the safety of these wallets, I'm gonna talk to you about the passive income, right? the good stuff, the money. So the reward rate, and basically the reason why I use both is because the reward rate between both Celsius and Nexus.io varies a little bit between assets. Not to mention that they don't have the exact same assets. So Nexus has some that I do have that Celsius doesn't have, and vice versa. So the currencies that I have in both these platforms, I just divide them in the best way that works for me specifically, because the APR that I get on one asset in one of them, let's say Nexus, is not the same one that I'm going to be getting in Celsius for the same asset. So in that case, I would just rather have it on Nexus because it's getting a better reward rate. But I'm not going to go full in depth when it comes to all the details in both platforms because it's going to take me forever. But if you want me to make a full video about just explaining everything when it comes to Nexus and Celsius or Celsius, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to make a video about it. But now let's talk percentages. Let's talk numbers. Let's talk APR, APY, the good stuff. So something that I really like about Celsius in particular is that they give you 10% of APY on stablecoins, which of course, since stablecoins are made to mimic the value of the US dollar, it's a good way to have a mini savings account over on Celsius on a stablecoin, and of course just keep getting 10% APY paid weekly, which in my case at least it is 10%, so it's more or less give and take about 9.999 times more than what I'm getting in my savings account in my bank. So it's kind of a no-brainer here. On the other hand, of course, Nexo.io gives me a nice 68% in rewards on assets, for example, like XRP that I personally hold, and Celsius, on the other hand, only gives me 2.5 on that specific asset. So I just rather have it on Nexo.io and just get a nice 3.5% extra. So to recap, of course, we all know this is not financial advice, but if you're new to crypto investing, or you want to get into crypto investing, or you don't even care about crypto but you kind of want to get a little bit of a savings account going on, these are two great ways of doing it. If you don't want to have anything to do with like assets apart from stable coins, let's say, then Celsius is definitely a better option because you can just put your money there, turn it into a stable coin, and then just keep getting 10% of passive income there. But if you want to invest in other things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, or other assets, you definitely should look up both differences between both platforms and see which one is more fitting for you. Like I said before, if you want me to go into full detail with these two platforms, let me know in the comment section. I would love to make a video about it. And of course, don't forget to like the video. It definitely helps a lot, especially this is a new channel, so it would definitely help out big time. And of course, sub to the channel if you like the content that I make here. I want us all to make good decisions, make money in crypto, and just have a brighter future. And of course, before I go, if you have any questions about the video, the comment section is open, and you can also find me on Instagram. Give me a follow there, and you can just send me a message there if you wanted to talk about something. All right, so take care, peace out, and stay safe.